Isikolo samabanga phezulu Raidville sinxalenye yezikolo zonakalisiweyo imigudugudu. Kwezi sikolo kuphulwa amacango amagumbi okufunda ze kwabiwa nencwadi.
We feel very saddened because it's something that we don't expect to happen at a institution there where our society, our community and our learners are supposed to come and be taught so that they get education.
Ibhodi lawo lesisikolo ithi akukho kuqala ezikolo zonakaliswa.
Security issues are very severe at the school. We need intervention from the department, and it's been going on for a while. And the SGB, we have been pleading with the department for a while now to appoint securities, and none has been done.
Isebe lezemfundo kweliphondo lithi ukonakaliswa kwezikolo kubuyisela emva abafundi.
The department is not able to appoint security guards at each and every school. We have 565 schools in the province, and the cost associated with that is going to be exorbitant. We're looking at proper fencing. There's been several schools which we have seen emerging as hotspots where we've assisted the schools to implement alarm systems.
Isebe lezemfundo liyaqinisekisa kuba izikolo zonakalisiweyo ziza kuvulwa ngomso njengoko bekucwangcisiwe.